Okay, say for example you want to purchase anything from handicrafts.pahadizones.com. This is the main site, as you can see. Okay, this is the home page. All right, so you have the home page over here, and you want to purchase something from this site. We can see the products are listed over here, and in this video I'll be telling you exactly how you can add products to your cart and also remove it if you don't want it, and how you can make the payment, and post that the products will be delivered to you in 5 to 6 working days. All right, so let's check this out. Okay, now these are all the Naga shawls, which are the most favorite items of this site. Okay, so let's check any of the products. Say for example I like this the green elf. Okay, I want to purchase it. How do I do that? I go over here, and it's very similar to how you purchase products from any e-commerce site. It's just like that. It's very simple. All you have to do is buy now. Press the buy now. If you press the button add to cart, it'll just be added to the cart and nothing will happen. But if you press buy now, then you go directly to the cart page, and you can make the payment and finish it off. Okay, the products will be delivered to you in 5 to 6 working days. So let's see this, how you buy it. You press the buy now button, and now you are directed to the cart page directly. Okay, now this is, as you can see the cursor over here, this is the cart. Okay, so if you press the view cart, then you'll go to the cart directly. Okay, and also the cart option also comes at the right hand corner. Okay, now this is one of the products. Now all you have to do is fill this up. Okay, all these details, company name, house address, so on and so forth, and then you place the order. Once you place the order, you have an option of pay via Paytm. Okay, you press the button pay via Paytm, and then you get the option of credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI. All these options are available after you press pay via Paytm. Okay, so let's check this out, how it works. Let me quickly fill up some details. Oops. Okay, it tells me state, say Chhattisgarh, pin code. Let's put this all dummy pin code. Let's put some numbers. Okay, so email ID. Let's not type anything more like shipping to a different address. If I check this button, then I have to enter more details, so let's avoid that for now. Let's this is the coupon code place where you insert the coupon code. If you have a coupon code, then you can insert here, and you might get a discount on the item over here. The total amount that is mentioned, that will be reduced by inserting the coupon. Of course, you have to procure it from the site itself. Okay, so now you press this button, check the button. I have read and agreed to the terms, and then you place the order. Once you place the order, oh no, something is there. Billing pin is not a valid postal code. Okay, I understand. So let me put a valid postal code. Now it should be working. Yes, now it is working. Okay, let's place the order. There it is. Now you can see the list over here. Okay, now you have this option of pay via Paytm. Okay, update cart. There's nothing like update cart. See, this is the cart over here, one. Okay, if you want to add more items, then you can update the cart and go and add some more items, but that you are not doing it right now. Okay, so this is about it. Say for example you want to update the cart. Okay, you go to the cart page now. Okay, now it's already added to your cart. Now say for example, after doing this you want to add some more items to the cart, then let's say this, you want to add this shawl, this red shawl, to your cart. So you click over here and then you add to cart. See, can you see the two items over here? See, two of the items are added to the cart. Now you can put the cursor over here and this pop-up appears where you can go directly to checkout. Okay, so you go directly to checkout. The address has already been filled, so you don't have to fill it again. Just remove this checkout so that you don't have to fill additional address of shipping. Read the terms and condition, place the order. And now you pay via Paytm. Now say for example you want to remove any of the items listed in the cart. What do? You just go over here and can you see that cross over here? This cross, just click that cross and that item gets removed from the cart automatically. Okay, just press this cart cross and it removes and it gets removed. Say for example you want to remove this Manipuri shawl which you just added now, so I press over this cross and it's gone. Okay, it's gone and even the price is reduced. See. Okay, so now you press pay via Paytm. See, if you choose Paytm, pay via Paytm, it's not that just you are using Paytm payment wallet. You are not just using Paytm wallet, but you are using the Paytm payment gateway, which gives you the option of using any of the options like debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. So it's not the payment. Sorry, it's not the Paytm wallet that you are using. You are using Paytm gateway, payment gateway. Okay, not wallet but payment gateway. Payment gateway has the option of using all these options like debit card, credit card, UPI, net banking. Okay, so you have all these options. Just put your now if you are again trying to use Paytm wallet, then you have this option, but if you're not using this, then use debit card, credit card, UPI, okay, net banking. All right, see all these banks option are there. I think there are a lot of options, lot of banks, all these have been added to be used for your net banking transactions. Okay, at the same time you can also scan this and make the payment. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so I hope I have explained you how you can add products to the cart and make the purchase. Alright, if you have any queries, you can also go to the WhatsApp support over here. If you go to the home page, there is a WhatsApp support where just at the bottom you will see a pop-up kind of a small green button. Yeah, it's green in color, and just click over there and you get this option of contacting us either through WhatsApp or through Facebook chat. Alright, so use that if you have any queries, and someone from our team will definitely contact you and help you out so that you can purchase your product and it gets delivered to you really fast. Okay, so with this I'm signing off. This is Pradeep signing off. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.